Cabo de Gata has a lot of interest and different particularities. Most of them are related to wildlife. The volcanic geology can be one of the most interesting things. In the Spanish Mediterranean coast, there's no virgin coastal line like the Cabo de Gata one. In Gata, we perform several kind of tours, four-wheel drive tours, but also walks, geology walks and wildlife walks in and around the Cabo de Gata Natural Park in East Andalusia and Central Andalusia. We are focused on independent travelers and photographers that want to discover different places related to wildlife and to the cultural landscapes. But also, of course, families. I love working with children, with families. I like people that come with me in my tours to become impressed and become surprised because of that character of the inland.